Hey, Andy from Backbone Adventures here in Estes Park, Colorado. We have a ATV and Jeep rental company up here. We run the Kawasaki KRX 1000s, and it's just a little video about the Magellan units that we put in here. Since Kawasaki doesn't have a navigation unit that like Polaris or has or whatever for their ride command, we outfitted ours with this Magellan Pro unit. They're about 500 bucks, I believe, something like that. And they come with a pretty cool little mounting system that all we did was just take all this off right here and bolt it right from the back. These machines have about 1,000 miles on them, 951 miles still, and they get run around, they get ripped pretty hard in Rocky Mountain terrain, and these things are holding up in there pretty well. Like I say, we just bolt them right through there in the back, and then just click the unit right on it, and we just hook it up to the 12 volt power outlet. So we ordered a bunch of 12 volt power outlets, so we're going to put another one in here. So we're basically just going to T-tap, so we do still have a 12 volt power outlet, and this thing runs off of that backside there, and that's all we do. And they're holding up really well, and these Magellan units are pretty good. I think I like Garmin a little bit better, but the Garmin mounting system didn't quite work in here for what we were trying to do. Not that it won't, we're still kind of working. We did a photo shoot with the Garmin company, and they all came out and for their new pro stuff, off-road stuff, and so I was kind of talking to one of the tech guys about it, and I think we're going to figure something out. But this Magellan works pretty good, and has all the trails on it. I don't know if I can find some stuff here. All your trails are national forest trails are going to be in orange like that, and if it's not, you can always go run it and you can create a file for it. But the unit works pretty good. We haven't had any troubles, complaints with it at all. Little blue arrow follows you around. Anyway, you want to read about this unit, you can, but just wanted to show you how we mounted it, and that it's solid and it's held up for 1,000 miles and doing pretty good. And we also put a Boss Bluetooth speaker system in here, and that jams pretty good. You have to run it right down the center console, so it's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to install than what we'd like. But anyway, just wanted to show you that video there. It's something you can do if you want navigation in your KRX. They look pretty slick, and it's good and solid. So hope that helps, and if we get some Garmin units to go in, I'll do a video of that then.